Hi, today I'm for the new Redmi Note 12 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open the panel first and then you'll see here some options which you can remove or add here some of the another options or just to change the positions of these icons. To do that, click to this edit icon. You'll see here all of the available options which we can add to our panel. Just to add them, click on these green pluses. If you want to remove them, you should just tap on these red minuses. And to change the positions of the icons, just hold the icon and drag it. To save the changes, click to done on the right upper corner and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.